Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to set your channel audience on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are logged into your YouTube account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. Now click on Channel. Go to Advanced Settings tab. Under Audience section, select your preferred audience. Click Save. That's it. Settings has been changed. This is how you can set your channel audience on YouTube. Thank you for watching.